Hello, I am Dr. K.K. Misra from our classes. This is my efforts in this particular video tutorial that is in series. The video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on marketing management. This is part 3rd. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Marketing segmentation is useful for dash 1. Preferential marketing, 2. Targeting existing clients, 3. Identifying prospects, 4. Knowing customers' tastes, 5. All of these. Correct option is 5. All of these. Question number 2. The target group for savings deposit accounts is 1. Newborn babies, 2. Students, 3. Parents, 4. Businessmen, or 5. All of these. Here, correct option is 2. Students. Question number 3. Market segmentation can be resorted to by means of 1. Segmenting by age, 2. Segmenting by income, 3. Segmenting by geographically, 4. All of these, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 4. All of these. Question number 4. The target group for a car loan is dash 1. All auto drivers, 2. All auto dealers, 3. All car owners, 4. Any individual needing a car, 5. All of the above. Correct option is 4. Any individual needing a car. 5. Market information means dash 1. Knowledge of industries, 2. Knowledge of households, 3. Knowledge of peers, 4. Knowledge of customers' tastes, 5. All of these. Correct option is 4. Knowledge of customers' tastes. 6. Bank insurance means dash 1. Banks promising to give loans, 2. Bank promising to pay interest, 3. Banks selling insurance products, 4. Assurance to repay loans, 5. None of these. Correct option here is 3. Banks selling insurance products. 7. The target for agricultural loan is dash 1. Any farmer, 2. Farm laborers, 3. Any individual dealing in agricultural or related activity, 4. Farmers societies, 5. All of these. Correct option here is 3. Any individual dealing in agricultural or related activity. 8. The target group for credit card is dash 1. Existing card holders, 2. All graduates, 3. All minors, 4. Individuals with taxable income, 5. All of these. Correct option here is 4. Individuals with taxable income. 9. Market segmentation means dash 1. Segmenting the salesmen, 2. Segmenting the employees, 3. Segmentation the customers as per their needs, 4th. Segmenting the products, 5. All of these. The correct option is 3. Segmenting the customers as per their needs. 10. A target group means dash 1. A group of sellers, 2. A group of buyers, 3. A group of products, 4. A group of person to whom sales should be focused, 5. All of these. The correct option is 4. A group of persons to whom sales should be focused. 9. Marketing is the art of dash 1. Buying more, 2. Paying more, 3. Selling more, 4. Talking more, 5. Only 1 and 2. The correct option is 3. Selling more. 12. Marketing of services is resorted in dash 1. Manufacturing concerns, 2. Insurance business, 3. Hostels, 4. Only 1 and 2, 5. Only 2 and 3. Correct option here is 5. Only 2 and 3. 13. Marketing is a dash 1. One day effort, 2. Team effort, 3. One man effort, 4. All of the above, 5. None of the above. Correct option here is 2. Team effort. 14. Service marketing is the same as dash 1. Transaction marketing, 2. Relationship marketing, 3. Internal marketing, 4. Outdoor marketing, 5. All of the above. Correct option here is 2. Relationship marketing. 15. Good marketing requires one of the following: 1. Proper planning, 2. Good teamwork, 3. Good communication skills, 4. Knowledge of products, 5. All of these. Correct option is 2. Good teamwork. 16. Marketing in banks is a necessity today due to 1. Liberalization, 2. Nationalization, 3. Fashion, 4. Urbanization, or 5. Marketing in banks is not necessary as banking in India is more than 200 years old. Here correct option is 1. Liberalization. Question number 17. Marketing is influenced by dash 1. Product demand, 2. Public taste, 3. Buyer behavior, 4. Brand image, 5. All of the above. Correct option is 5. All of the above. 18. Market share means dash 1. Share of business among peers, 2. Share market, 3. Share prices, 4. IPOs, 5. Scope for marketing. Correct option here is 1. Share of business among peers. 19. Marketing helps in dash 1. Boosting production, 2. Getting new clients, 3. Interacting with strangers, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Correct option here is 4. All of these. Question number 20. A DSA helps in dash 1. Boosting direct sales, 2. Boosting sales through the net, 3. Strengthening indirect marketing, 4. Strengthening telemarketing, 5. All of the above. Correct option is 1. Boosting direct sales. 21. A DSA direct selling agent is 1 dash 1. Who sells through the internet, 2. Who works on the bank counters, 3. Who works in bank office setup, 4. Who sells direct to the client, 5. None of the above. Correct option here is 4. Who sells direct to the client. 22. Selling is dash 1. Different from marketing, 2. A sub function of marketing, 3. Same as marketing, 4. More than marketing, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 5. None of the above. Question number 23. A lead in marketing jargon means dash a likely consumer, 2. A metal, 3. A lease, 4. A team leader, 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. A likely consumer. 24. Good selling skills involve dash 1. Patience, 2. Presence, 3. Empathy, 4. Knowledge, 5. All of these. Correct option here is 5. All of these. 25. EMI stands for 1. Earnest monthly installment, 2. Equated money installment, 3. Equated monthly installment, 4. Equated major installment, 5. Essential monthly installment. Correct option here is 3. Equated monthly installment. 26. A true marketing mindset requires dash 1. Controlled mindset, 2. Command mindset, 3. Passive mindset, 4. Active mindset, 5. Inert mindset. Correct option is 4. Active mindset. 27. Innovation means dash 1. Inspiration, 2. Enthusiasm, 3. Compensation, 4. Creativity, and 5. All of these. Correct option is 4. Creativity. 28. Internal marketing means dash 1. Marketing to sell, 2. Marketing to family members, 3. Marketing to the staff members, 4. Marketing inside India, 5. Marketing outside India. Correct option is 3. Marketing to the staff members. 29. Modern styles of marketing are dash 1. Telemarketing, 2. Web marketing, 3. Advertisement on the net, 4. Emails, 5. All of these. Correct option is 5. All of these. 30. A good and effective DSA should dash 1. Copy the competitor company, 2. Criticize the competitor company, 3. Join the competitor company, 4. Be passive, or 5. Be more effective than the competitor company. Here correct option is 5. Be more effective than the competitor company. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.